Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a layout for 30 Days of Sketches, day 30. This is my sketch. I created this one. And so I thought it would be perfect to play with simple stories, simple vintage snapshots, or snapshot summer snapshots. Simple stories, summer snapshots. That's what it's called. Don't chew on my tomato plant, cat. We are playing with that today. Played with it yesterday for that layout as well. But I thought I would continue documenting some of my sister's vacation photos to Florida, and thought this picture of her and one of her daughters and the sketch would work marvelously together. So I've cut a few 4-inch circles, one that's like 3.5 inches, and then I hole punched two 1-inch circles, and they're scalloped, and they were kind of blending in together. So I grabbed some tattered rose, and I'm going to ink the edges of the circles, and that kind of just defines them a little bit better. And then also I will end up inking the edges of pretty much everything, all the papers and stuff for this layout. But I really enjoy sketches like this, the one I created. I try to create ones that are simple enough that you can add, subtract, do whatever you want with it, but also enough that if you don't want to do anything extra, or that it's set to go and you can just have at it. So I hope you guys enjoy the sketch. We are gonna use this polka dot paper as the background. I really like that ledger paper that has the rainbow stripes on it, or I should just say solid different colored stripes, but I really enjoy the polka dot paper on the other side, and I thought it'd be perfect to do with this ledger paper that is this salmon-y pink coral color. It's just gorgeous. So we are going to make that our tear. I needed a border around my photo, but I realized I glued the circles to it already, so I'm just gonna cheat a little bit, and it works out to my advantage because this paper, the height that I had left was not the right height, but you don't need to see part of the border, so worked out. And I'm going to ink the edges of that. We're going to pop everything up on foam, and that's why I glued it all together. Kind of thought about doing that already, so that way I can move it as one piece. So I'm going to tear this coral pink paper. It doesn't go as high up as the sketch kind of indicates, but it does lean more towards the upper left corner than the lower. It's not centered of a tear, and that's what I was going for basically. So, but I love the way that pops on this page, and it kind of reminds me a little bit of a beach and the waves crashing with the teared edge. So kind of symbolizes that. But my sister took a selfie on the beach with her daughter, and so yeah, that's what we're doing. I had to make sure I got my sketch done for this month. I haven't got many else done except for yesterday's and the first, and that's about it. I will always work on them. I have all of them. I think I still have ones back from 30 Days of Sketches number 11 to do yet. So I always keep them handy and try to do them at least once. All the sketches are awesome. Everyone who creates them is just a blessing to Christy. It's so fun to have all these exclusive sketches for 30 Days of Sketches. So now that we got that done, I wanted a tag, just like in the sketch. And so I am putting a tag up here using one of the cards. I'm going to punch a hole, and then using this other card that I'm going to fussy cut out the camera. There is a camera sticker, but I figured I might as well use the camera. The other side of the cut apart sheet is the seagull paper, and I'm probably not going to use a lot of that. So I figured the cut aparts are definitely something to use. So I'm going to do this tag. It's a little fat for my liking, so I'm going to make it a little skinnier. That's perfect. And then I will fussy cut out that, I did already, fussy cut out the camera, and then the word smile that was below it, and made that like a little phrase sticker, essentially. So that's going to go there. I will add some twine later to that. While I was looking for my hole punch, I came across they're punch outs. I don't remember what collection. They're pretty old. Were they in part of a paper pad, I want to say? I feel like. I don't even remember where they're from. All I know is I only had this banner left, and then the round like journaling tag. It kind of looks like a surfboard, but the banner is the exact same colors that are in this collection. So I'm going to use that up in the upper left hand corner. I am going to fussy cut out, I think I did already. I fussy cut it out a little more, cut a lot of the white edge off of it. I don't ink that up. I should have. Missed opportunity. And then I didn't ink up my tag either. And then I've got that label. I've got that Rest and Relax wood veneer from Color Gas Designs. It's going to be my title. I'm going to get everything glued down. And then we're going to grab some of the stickers from the sticker sheet and add a few of those around. There were these seagulls on there. So I really like this little label with the camera, except for I already fussy cut out a giant camera that's yellow. And I don't have a ton of green on this page. So I don't really want that camera. So I'm going to cover it up with its cute little sun hat. And there's still a corner of it peeking out. So while I'm adding all these other stickers, I'm going to fussy cut out a little flower from the floral pattern paper and add that to cover that up. And then and it's the same color as this coral paper. So it just kind of adds a little bit. It's actually the back side of the coral paper. So I'm going to fussy coat just a little flower to add there. And then those seagulls are my favorite. It's a stack of seagulls and they say hit the beach, and that's where they're at. And then below that I put some yellow flip-flops that say sunny days ahead and some seashells. And then I added the little coral flip-flops on the bottom right. And now I'm adding, these are Sands of Time sequins from Picket Fence Studios. I love these. I'm going to add them everywhere. So I have them kind of scattered, going the diagonal along the photo, or off from the photo, I should say, kind of following the tear area, and then adding a couple little clusters around the title in that upper left area and the lower right area. And that is it. That's all. So had a lot of fun playing with this. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you have fun with the sketch. Here's some close-ups, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Thank you.